Hi, I'm Kev Lavery, and today we're going to be talking about how you can ensure that you're kept in the loop with any unit updates, information and changes, and where this communication goes. If you've enabled notifications, you're able to be emailed immediately when important events happen in your Connect units, like when grade results are released, when due dates are coming up, or when an announcement item is available. You don't want to be swamped with notifications for every little thing, but you also don't want to miss out on opportunities or information that's important to your studies. So let's look at how you balance that. You can update your notifications at any time. You might also find that you need to adjust your notifications depending on the unit you're undertaking, your instructors, or even the kind of activities you're doing at any given time to ensure that you're getting the experience that suits your needs. You can also do it anywhere. Connect's responsive design means that you don't have to wait until you're sitting in front of a computer to access Connect. Whether you're on the Connect homepage or already within a unit, selecting your name in the minibar and then notifications will give you access to your notification settings. On a smaller screen like a mobile, you'll only see your profile icon rather than your name and icon together. The first thing you'll notice is a link to the Pulse app. This is an app developed by Brightspace that you can get from Google Play or the App Store. It gives you one easy view of calendars and dates, assessments and grades, and can provide you with real-time updates about what's going on in your Connect units. For more on Brightspace Pulse, check out our guide. By default, the email address that you gave when you enrolled at TAFE Queensland will display as your preferred contact method. Your emailed notifications will go to this address. If you'd like to change this address, select Change Your Email Settings. You'll then be able to add a custom email as your preferred address and save. You can also choose how often you'd like to receive a summary of the activity in each of your units. Select Daily if you'd like a summary of unit activity once a day, or leave as Never if you'd like to receive your notifications as soon as activities occur. Next, let's select the items that you'd like to be notified about straight away. You may like to know about any changes to your content, or when an assessment or quiz due date is approaching. You may also like to know immediately if new posts have been added to a discussion that you've subscribed to, or if there is a new or updated announcement. It's highly recommended that you select the grade notifications, as this is the fastest way to find out when your work has been marked and to see any feedback on your work. You'll also see some additional ways to customize notifications. By default, Include my grade value in the notifications from grades is already selected. However, you can choose to either deselect this option or select one of the other options about past, future, or inactive units. Finally, you can choose which of your enrolled units you'd like to receive notifications for. To do this, select Manage My Unit Exclusions. A list of your units will display, and you can select the X next to the unit's name to exclude it. You'll notice that the icon changes to a restore arrow. If you want to start receiving notifications from units that you've previously excluded, you can either select the restore icon next to the individual units, or select Restore Excluded Units to begin receiving notifications about all of your units again. Once you've set your notification preferences, click Save to apply your changes. We'd recommend revisiting this area every now and again just to make sure that you've got your notifications set up in a way that most benefits you, your units, and how you work. How you're notified about what's going on in Connect can have a big effect on your experience studying at TAFE Queensland. Managing your notifications in Connect and adjusting these notifications to your changing circumstances can ensure that you're able to avoid both notification avalanches and droughts.